probably nothing, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. One of the best experiences I've had. Good morning. All right, on to day 3. Heading to Panama City. Got a hotel already. First time I've actually made a reservation ahead of time, so I'm good to go. I know where I'm going, know where I'll be staying. Got about a 400-mile ride today. But I want to show you guys probably one of the most nerve-wracking parts of my day. The morning after. All right, she's still there and everything's still together. That's the thing I always worry about. You never know where you stand. So. All right, guys, so I'm gonna pack up and get on the road. So let me pack up and let me get this done. Let's get it. All right, looking good. I don't see nothing falling off. I did a little walk around. Everything's still good, so I'm gonna get some ice real quick and then hit the road. That's for YouTube.
Yes, indeed. Oh man, this is nice. How far are you going today?
I'm gonna ride to Florida. Today's a short day.
Okay, now how long does it take you to get there?
It says take me 6 hours.
Not bad.
And I'll do that, every bit of that. I'm pushing 90 to 100 miles per hour.
Oh no, stop that.
Huh?
Oh, you got to put me down and pick me up on your way back.
Yeah. Right on. Have a good one.
Okay, you be careful.
Thank you. Knocked out my first gas stop in Louisiana, so we're about 50 miles away from the state line heading into Mississippi. So so far so good. My butt is still hurting, but I guess when you're doing these kind of miles you just get used to it, and unfortunately you got to deal with it. So kind of on a mission, so I can't really deal with the pain. I just got to keep on pushing. All right, let's get to it. And it's getting in the zone and messing around and almost missed the state sign. I got it though. Alabama, one more state, Florida, here we come. So I made it. As you can see, I'm here in Florida. LA to Florida in 2.5 days. So I'm heading to Panama City. That's where my hotel's at for the night. So I have about 132 miles. So still got a little bit to go. Let's get it. I'm close to Panama City. I have about 84 miles, so gassed up one last time, then I'll put me at my hotel. So I think about 5:48, that'll be about the time I'll get there. So let's get back on the road. We're almost there. It's starting to get a little bit more of a sprinkle, so I think it's time to put some pants on. I don't want to get my pants all messed up. I'm not sure if this is gonna get worse or not. I don't want to really take a chance. So we'll get these put on real quick. So I made it to Panama City. This is my little room. Found a pretty good deal. A lot of the rooms were, wanted, where's my key? A lot of the rooms wanted a lot of money. Like as far as like just to clean the room, they wanted this resort fee. It was like $120 or something like that. We found this one, and I can't complain because my bike's parked right out front over there, actually out back. And this is the front. This is pretty cool because check how close I am to the beach. So I am real close to the beach. This is exactly what I wanted. For my first time in Florida, I wanted to be right here on the beach. And I couldn't have asked for more. I mean, I could ask for it to be hot and sunny. You can see I haven't even changed because it's cold out here, but it is beautiful. Check it out. There's not a lot of people here, so I almost have the beach to myself. It's just exactly what I needed after riding I'm gonna have to look. I think it was like 2,200 miles in 2.5 days for this. Seriously, one of the best experiences I've had.